Let's do Alvvays, and their new song is called Easy on Your Own. And let's learn it. I did a cover of it, so this will just be the companion lesson to teach you how to play that cover. So I'll put a link in the description. The verse starts out on A. It's A, D, A, D, A, E, D. That's the first verse. All right, the second verse is slightly different. We start out with the same. We start out the same. A, how I gauge. D, A. Then it goes, fill out the requirements on the page. All right, that little walk down is F sharp minor, E, D. To play that with power chords. And then after the walk down, after that F sharp, E, D, it goes get out, burn out before you get paid. E to D ends it. Next section is the pre-chorus, and that's cause we're always crawling monochromatic always. Dream people are wanted it someday. Alright, so that is a B minor, A, B minor, then I went to D, and then E. You play the E with a D shape at the 4th fret, and then you can slide up. Alright, next section is the chorus. Chorus has a different rhythm. You don't like it. It's quicker off the A. It doesn't lay on the A as long. You don't like it. D, A. Well, say it's over. Well. So A, D, A, D. E, weekends alone. Now it's gonna go D, A. Yeah, we'll lay back and watch the sunrise. D, A. Your violence, G, A. Then it ends with only wind outside, E, D. We go in, after that second chorus, we have a bridge. F, you can play it with power chord. I waited for you so long, E, power chord. Wasted the best years of my life. G, E, F to G. Then it goes F to E. And then we go this time. Sorry, A, G, G, F. Does that 2 times. And then it starts the final chorus, but this time it does a big walk down. So it starts on A. I don't like it. G. Now it's going from G chromatically down. F sharp. F. Very Beatles. So that walk down. If you don't like it, say it's over. Weekends alone. Does it get easier on your own? Then it just goes into the D to A section. Does that like 6 or 8 times, and then it goes does does the opposite of one of those walk downs. It goes F, G, A, and that's how the song ends. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I think that song is just like saying, if you don't like what you're doing, try something else. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.